Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your anti-malware service executable is experiencing high memory or CPU usage on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search icon and type in Task Scheduler. Go ahead and open that up. Should be the best match. Double click on the Task Scheduler or Library folder. And then do the same thing for the Microsoft folder. Same thing for Windows. And now you want to go down to Windows Defender. Just left click on that. And then there should be a few items over here on the right side. Double click on each of them, one at a time. Run highest privileges, uncheck that box, and then select conditions. And then uncheck anything that's in here. That gives you the option to uncheck. So uncheck that, select OK. And you can do that for all of the items in this list here. So again, front page, general, uncheck realm of highest privileges, select OK. And then you want to do conditions, you want to uncheck the power option. So I closed out of it for the last one before I did it, but you guys saw I went back in there and took care of that and then select OK. And then once you know what that, you will need to go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.